Right, today guys, we are in Bruges, Belgium. We're going to walk around this main square here, and these buildings are amazing. I'm going to let them speak for themselves. Not going to do any talking in this one. Just going to let you have a look around, because check these out. This is going to be a slow walking tour of the Central Plaza here in Bruges. That's the Provincial Palace right there. This one here holds the Salvador Dali Museum. So we got a layout of the city here, some braille. And we have the iconic Burger King here, flame grilling since 1954. You know, some places these horse-drawn carriages don't look too good, but these seem to be well taken care of. Nice looking horsies. All right, and that's a quick little walking tour around the square in the central of Bruges. Thanks for watching. We'll get some extra content of this building right here because Marie really likes it. So hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.